In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can pull out the wall plug right here. Now, there are different ways that you can perform to pull out the wall plug. One of the ways is to use the drill. So here we got a drill, and you can drill it in, but sometimes it can be difficult because you can see here the spaces are very small. So sometimes it is not ideal to use a drill. If you have a wall plug somewhere on the wall like here, you can actually just drill it in, and then once you drill in the wall plug, you can pull it out. Now, when it is in a small corner or in a difficult situation like this, what you can do is put the screws in like this, put the screw back in, and you can use one of this clamping tool right here, and then you can just pull it out like this. So here we can just kind of like pull out, and that will allow you to pull out the wall plug. So again, I'm going to screw it in like this. You might want to use a screwdriver. If it's hard, then you can use a screwdriver. And then I'm going to use a plier, and then we just pull it out. And just pull it out. This one, luckily, this one is quite easy to pull out. Now on the wall here, we can use a hammer. So here I can use a hammer, put it in like this. And with this one, we can then pull out. So this hammer is a little bit crooked. So here you can see I can put in the hammer, and then we can pull out the wall plug like this. So it's coming out here. So there are different ways you can do it to pull out the wall plug. Again, if you don't have a hammer, you can use a drill. Whatever that you want to use, you can simply pull it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.